Assalāmu Alaikum Raḥmatullāhi. This is Sazzad again. So, Allah. Okay, so page number 8 we have Al-Huruf Al-Munawwana. So it's the Fathatain, Kasratain and Dhammatain. Meaning, Tain means two, Fathatain means two Fatha, and two Kasra and two Dhamma. We call it Tanween as well. And last time we discussed about the Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma, which is the single Fatha, single Kasra and single Dhamma. Okay. We used to say in Bangla or in Urdu, Zabar, Z and Pesh. So please don't teach yourself again with the Zabar, Z and Pesh. There is no Zabar, Z and Pesh in Arabic. It's only Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma. Okay. Inshallah, JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing for this Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma section, which is page number 6 and 7. It is actually arranged according to the makhraj. Start from your throat. So Hamza, Ha is the bottom of your throat. Ain, Ha, and is from the middle of your throat. And Ghain, Kha, from the top of your throat. You don't have to discuss it. So it's been arranged accordingly there in that section. And for this page number 8 and 9, it's been the other way. It came from the mouth and all the way come down to the throat. Okay, inshallah. JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Let's start, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mim fathatain man, mim kasratain min, man min, mim dhammatain mun, man min mun, ba fathatain ban, ba kasratain bin, ban bin, ba dhammatain bun, ban bin bun. Remember one thing. For the Fathatain, Kasratain and Dhammatain, it's very easy to remember and easy to understand. Is Fatha with any letter plus the Noon with the Sukun. Sukun means Jazm in our old Bangla and Urdu terms. So Jazm or the Sukun here in Arabic, okay? So Mim Fatha plus Noon Sukun is Man. Mim Kasra plus Noon Sukun is Min. Mim Dhamma and Nun Sukun is Mun. It's just to make it easy for the kids and the parents. Okay, inshallah. Alright, continuing inshallah. Waw Fathatain Wan, Waw Kasratain Win, One Win, Waw Dhammatain Wun, One Win Wun, Fa Fathatain Fan, Fa Kasratain Fin, Fan Fin, Fa dhammatain fun, fan fin fun, Tha kasratain, Tha fathatain than, Tha kasratain thin, than thin, Tha dhammatain thun, than thin thun, Dhal fathatain dhan, Dhal kasratain dhin, dhan dhin, Dhal fathatain dhun, dhan dhin dhun, Dha fathatain dhan, Dha kasratain dhin, dhan dhin, Dha dhammatain dhun, dhan dhin dhun, Za fathatain zan, Za kasratain zin, zan zin, Za dhammatain zun, zan zin zun, Sin fathatain san, Sin kasratain sin, san sin, Sin dhammatain sun, san sin sun, Sad fathatain son, Sad kasratain sin, son sin, Sad dhammatain sun, son sin sun, Ta fathatain tan, Ta kasratain tin, tan tin, Ta dhammatain tun, tan tin tun, Dal fathatain dan, Dal kasratain din, dan din, Dal dhammatain dun, dan din dun, Ta fathatain ton, Ta kasratain tin, ton tin, Ta dhammatain tun, ton, tin, tun, ra, fatha, dain, run. Okay, this ends the page number 8, inshallah.